on the music one. As you can see, I put the stickers down ready for the neons, and I laid one down this side. And there's a power box, which is easy, simple to do. Get the two plugs into there, and you got your back plug here, which connects to a switch. As you can see, my fingers there. Then you got another wire, which is by here, which you plug into any 12-volt linkage, male and female connectors. That then connects to the back of here, also with the switch. And once I stuck the other one up by here, I'll show you what they're like when they're working on, and I should show you a bit better when it's dark.